right, with bacterial cell. Now we will see eukaryotic cell. There are so many eukaryotic cells around us, right? Protista, plants, animals, fungi. There are all eukaryotic cell, and all eukaryotic cell have unique structure that is called organelle. Different organelle present in eukaryotic cell. Especially here I draw two cells, animal cells and plant cell. First we do label. This is nucleolus, right? This is nucleus. This is nuclear membrane, and you know what is eukaryotic cell. Presence of nuclear membrane, that cell is known as eukaryotic cell, right? This is microtubules. This is small organelle, peroxisome. Then this is centrioles, which are present only in plant cell. This is mitochondria. This is ribosome, which is only one organelle that don't have any membrane, right? Then this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this also ribosome. ये भी क्या है? Ribosome है. If ribosome present on the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, then that portion known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then this is lysosome, which is known as the suicidal bag. Then cytoplasm, right? This is Golgi body, and this is vacuole, but not well developed. It is very rare. This is plasma membrane, or we can say cell membrane. Right? So we do all the label of animal cell. Same way we can name in plant cell. But plant cell have three layer outside of this cell. Outermost layer, that is known as cell wall, which is present only in plant cell, do not present in animal cell. Then middle lamella, right? And then cell membrane. इसके बाद cell membrane. अब innermost कौन होगा? Cell membrane. This is starch granules, or we can say starch grains, which is store starch as a extra reserve material. Then this big portion, that is vacuole, and around this vacuole one membrane present, that is called tonoplast, right? This is ribosome, which synthesize protein. Then this is chloroplast. Chloroplast almost arranged in peripheral of cell, right? This is lysosome. Lysosome very rare in plant cell. Then microtubules. Right? This is mitochondria. This is Golgi body. then this is nucleus, this is nucleolus, which synthesize RNA, then this is nuclear membrane. Right? You have to draw this figure in your notebook perfectly. And now we will see the difference between plant cell and animal cell. First difference, that is usually plant cell are more large and more big than animal cell, whereas animal cell smaller than plant cell. First difference समझ में आया? Usually plant cell that is larger than animal cell and animal cell smaller than plant cell, right? Second difference, in plant cell, cell wall present, animal cell wall absent. In plant cell chloroplast present, then animal cell chloroplast is absent. In plant cell centriole is absent, in animal cell centriole is present. In plant cell plasmodesmata is present, then in animal cell plasmodesmata is absent. वो क्या है वो मैं डिटेल में फिर बाद में बताऊंगी. In plant cell there are big vacuole present permanently, right? Then animal cell do not have any vacuole, or if vacuole are present, that is rare or temporary, right? Each vacuole have their covered by a membrane that is called tonoplast. Means in plant cell tonoplast is present, in animal cell tonoplast is absent, right? Then almost lysosome, right? Plant cell have rarely present lysosome, then animal cell permanently present lysosome. And last one is in plant cell extra food material reserved as a starch grain, and in animal cell extra food reserved as a glycogen grains. यहाँ कौन से फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है? ग्लाइकोजन वैक्यूल और ग्लाइकोजन ग्रेन्स. आप पढ़ोगे इसमें, राइट? रिबोसोम बोथ हैव रिबोसोम, ओके. सो रिबोसोम दोनों सेल्स में प्रेजेंट होता है, और बाकी सारी जो ऑर्गेनल है वो दोनों में सेम है. हमने सेम नेमिंग किया है, राइट? दूसरा लास्ट डिफरेंस की प्लांट सेल डू नॉट हैव पैरोक्सिसोम, एनिमल सेल हैव पैरोक्सिसोम, दैट इज वन विदाउट मेम्ब्रेन जो ऑर्गेनल होती है वो है, राइट? सो ये हो गया एनिमल सेल और प्लांट सेल का डिफरेंस. इसके बाद हम सभी ऑर्गेनल न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियोलस, ईआर, एसईआर, आरईआर, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, गोल्गी बॉडी, लाइसोसोम, वैक्यूल, सेंट्रियोल, माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल, ईच ऑर्गेनल वी विल सी इन डिटेल. मेन डिफरेंस आपको इस प्लांट और एनिमल सेल में जो है वो आपको याद रखना है. एनिमल सेल आर स्मॉलर देन प्लांट सेल larger than animal cell. Second difference, vacuole absent in animal cell, plant cell में vacuole big होती है, right? Tonoplast is absent, tonoplast is present, centriole present which help in cell division, centriole absent, lysosome permanently present, lysosome temporarily present, right? Cell wall absent, cell wall present, chloroplast absent. In this plant cell chloroplast is present. And last, plasmodesmata absent, plasmodesmata present. Plasmodesmata means what कि एक सेल दूसरे सेल के नजदीक आता है, तो एक सेल में से जो भी मटेरियल होता है वो दूसरे सेल में ट्रांसफर होने के लिए दोनों सेल के बीच में एक ब्रिज फॉर्म होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा. वो आप चैप्टर नंबर 11 में पढ़ोगे, राइट? देन लास्ट क्वेश्चन की इन प्लांट सेल एक्स्ट्रा फूड मटेरियल स्टोर एज ग्लाइकोजन ग्रेन्स, एंड इसमें एज ए स्टार्च ग्रेन्स स्टोर होता है, राइट? और फंक्शन के साथ देखेंगे। थैंक यू।